So here, this is the 4-hour chart on the Hang Seng. In previous updates, we talked about this fifth wave to the upside from the April low, which is basically complete. It's entirely possible that the Hang Seng index finished this larger pattern here. I marked it with top question mark. I'm talking about the bounce here. That last rally in October could have put a more meaningful top in place, but the bulls are still there because we haven't lost any structural support and none of the previous swing lows. Even Fibonacci support is still holding. So I can see the move up from that low that formed in April as an ABC structure. A, B, C, and the C wave, I mean, it could be complete. 1, 2, I could even say 3, 4, 5. There are ways how this can be labeled complete. My view is, though, it would look best if we get one more high, but the wave count is very, very full. I mean, the white scenario is still my slight preference, where we just completed in this C wave up a wave 1 in 3 waves, a wave 2, that was the low in July, a wave 3 in 3 waves, a wave 4, and we could be in a wave 5, but because it's getting so, like, it's so late cycle, this is getting super choppy, and obviously the bears are already strong, but the bulls are still making sure that we're only forming higher lows. So we have 3 waves up, then an A. This could be a B wave pullback. We could get one more push, but there's nothing, let's say, clearly bullish about this in the short term, or at least no clear and strong upside momentum. The nearest support area here is between 25,438 and 26,070, and it takes a break above the November high to signal that we are in wave C. We haven't formed a new high, so I can't say clearly that in the white count we've topped yet. In the orange count, as an alternative, we have topped. Further evidence for that would be a break below the red line at 24,730. Yeah, and once we break below this red line, we can start to map in more detail the downside structure. The risk is high. It's just moving between support and resistance now, but basically this here is now the zone where I would watch for strength, because we've also reached here the lower boundary line. So I think very late cycle, risk is very high that the top is already in. We're only starting to move in corrective structures, and once we break below support levels here that I mentioned, we're likely in the larger decline already. But I would still prefer maybe one more final push higher to wrap it up, but that's really just in the very short term. Bigger picture, we are very close to a substantial top.